Hello everybody, my name is Misha. I'm also a student in Econ 325 class, and this is going to be a quick 10-minute tutorial on how to build a large language model customizable chatbot in less than 10 minutes. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to need to all open up Slack, Econ 325 Fall 2023, and go to General. And I'll put link in description for Slack. Then you're all going to need to click this StackAI hyperlink. Once we're on StackAI's website, everybody who hasn't signed up yet will need to sign up for StackAI. When signing up, don't choose continue with Google because that sometimes is very buggy, so I would just put in your email address, and since I already have an account, I'm just going to log in. Here we see a pretty empty dashboard, so we're going to go to right top corner and click new project, and we're going to select simple chatbot. Here we see a template of a simple chatbot, and they give us little pop-ups that I don't like. Anyways, this is how a simple large language model chatbot looks and works. An input goes into a large language model, gives an output. For example, we'll type in hello, and we're going to click run. So you're going to input it directly into the input tab and click run. And it outputs, hello, how can I assist you today? So we want to customize it. So what we're going to do is create a knowledge base. Just going to be this documents little window that we're going to drag onto here. And we want our question or input to ChatGPT to go through those documents and then go back to ChatGPT. We'll go firstly to let me reiterate on that. We want to input some information that goes into that document and searches for that information or similar information to it, and then we want that information that it found to go to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT iterates it and gives us an answer based on our question and the information that it's gotten. So we're going to drag an input query to the document search and a large language model query. Then I also like to see what exactly goes into large language model, so we're going to create an output window in outputs, and we're going to connect an output out of a document search to it. For an example, I will upload my Tar Heel tracker into here because I have my registration tomorrow. It's very late and I still want to know what classes to register for, what requirements to fill in, etc. And we see that an error pops up. It says that doc EMB is not used, so I'm going to paste a pre-made prompt here that I will put in Slack, which basically just introduces a concept of a document search. Now that everything is connected, let's ask it a question. We're going to ask, hey AI, what requirements show up as not satis Tar Heel tracker? Because it's always nice to know. And we're going to click run. So what happens is that question runs through the data that we have given, goes back to ChatGPT, and here we can see the output. Degree requirements, first year foundations, reflection, integration. Basically everything that says not satisfied in Tar Heel tracker next to it shows up here. Even capstone course Econ 393. Now that we have a proof of concept that this works, we can export it and go for next step. We're going to export it into a no-code platform called BotPress. So we're going to go back to Slack and click BotPress. And here you're going to need to create an account And you can sign in with Google. Here it works perfectly fine. So I'm going to sign into my account. And once you sign in, it gives you a little like annoying tutorial on how to use it. You can just exit out of that to get to BotPress faster. But I mean, I would recommend going through that tutorial because it's never bad for you to learn how a no-code platform works. But if you don't want to, you get out of it and you click Create Chatbot. Usually what it does, it creates a chatbot with a random name. And yeah, that's what it's doing for me. It asks me to use a template, and I'm going to get out of it because I don't want to use this template. There you go. So now I'll create a new chatbot, and we're going to edit it. And we're going to click Start from Scratch and click Use Template. Now once we're here, we're going to click BotPress icon and click Import, Export, Import from File. And once we're here, we're going to go back to Slack and click this hyperlink for BotPress template, which will take us to this file called AliChat 2023. And I have that file on my computer, so I'm going to find it, AliChat, and upload it. And once I upload it, a nice template pops up. And what we want from this template is to click this Execute Code tab and put in our API from StackAI. API is basically like a key to your code that is produced by the no-code platform. And we're going to put it in here on line 13. And then a bearer token, we're going to change that on line 19. So how we're going to do that is we're going to go back to StackAI. We're going to click Export. Oh, I actually forgot to do something very, very important. We need to publish our chatbot. I was supposed to do that when I got the proof of concept, but I forgot. And it tells you that now you can use the API. We're going to export, click API endpoint, and now we're here. We can select this link, and we want to use Python. Select this link, Ctrl C, go to BotPress, and paste it. And then I'm not going to blur my bearer token, but don't try to copy it. It's just gonna copy my bearer token. Use your own. You put that in here, and we're just gonna click close. Once we're done with that, we're just gonna click publish, and BotPress is going to create a chatbot with pretty slick design and messages that pop one after the other, looking like an actual thing. And here it is. And now we can actually chat with it. Let's ask it, hey AI, what courses do I still need to take for my business administration? Because that pops up on Tar Heel Tracker. And let's click send. I hope this works. This wasn't a perfectly worded prompt, but here it says busy 401, busy 403, and every busy major will have the same exact core courses. So this was the 10-minute tutorial that went for 11-ish minutes, and I hope this is clear. All the links, all the hyperlinks are going to be in the description. And yeah, you can build your own chatbot in less than 10 minutes. Use it for anything you want, using document embeddings, and make sure the files are PDFs. Thank you.